Hi everyone, I'm back again. I'm so sorry for yet another delay in posting videos. Some of you literally commented on my old videos that you want to see my new vlog. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. I try my best to make videos wherever I go and post, but this lady here is too lazy to edit the videos. A few clips which I have made recently, so I edited that and I'm gonna post it, but I again forgot to make an intro for that, so I had to make this separate one. Anywho, it's another lockdown here in Thimphu for 3 days, so I might make another vlog, like lockdown vlog. So yeah, meanwhile enjoy this video. Nothing special, just some random stuffs that I did, so I hope you guys will enjoy. Right now I'm going Babisa at DC Decor showroom to get one mirror. I mean, like, I've ordered one mirror, so I'm gonna go and get that. Hi everyone, I'm back home and I got my mirror. Yeah, I'm so excited. I wanted a mirror for so long for my room, and this one's perfect. And I got it from DC Decor. So yeah, let's open it. This is how it looks. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm just done taking shower and I just applied a cream on my face, moisturizer, that's all. And I didn't do anything because I feel comfortable without makeup at home. So yeah, and I'm thinking of going to cut my hair. I'm not sure, I'm just contemplating if I should cut. Not short, I just want this one to be like, how do we tell that now? I can't get that exact term, but yeah, I'll show you later if I go and trim it.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my old ways. Telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. And old days, I'm such a
I came for a haircut. I don't know if it's, I mean, if they're free or not, because yesterday also I came here and they were pretty busy, so I had to go back.
really happen because you're attractive or something. Live in the moment, that's what they tell me. But whatever happened to when you would hold me.
Finally got my hair done.
It's easy just to pretend that we don't have something real. It's just how we feel.
So hi guys, I got my haircut and came to buy some stuffs, but so I came here to number 7 shop to get some stuffs. Get the stuff that I wanted from shop number 7, so I came to Sherza here. Let's see if it's there or not. Hello guys, I'm waiting for my mom right now. She went for vegetable shopping. I don't know if it's true or not, or it's just rumors. People are panic buying that there is a lockdown tomorrow, see? So yeah. So this is the scenario here right now. A lot of cars and people are moving.